Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be installing this Dasaita Vivid13 head unit in my Toyota Tacoma. I apologize for the audio. I did lose my audio when recording this, but it's pretty easy. It's a plug and play, and here are some instructions as you can see. And it even comes with this warranty card, so make sure to check it out if you do decide to go with this head unit, along with a booklet that shows all of the settings. There's so many settings that I haven't even had the chance myself to go over all of them. And here are the head unit harnesses. You do get 2 of them. It just depends if you have the 2nd or 3rd gen. Comes with some zip ties. And here is the head unit itself. I decided to go with the black trim. Here in the back is where you will be connecting all of your harnesses. It can be a little intimidating at first, but once you start, you will get the hang of it right away. And then here you have all of your additional connectors. And you do get wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, 4G LTE support, and a sharp QLED screen, which I will be showing you guys once it's been installed. Here are the harnesses again. Like I said, there are 2 harnesses. The cool thing about this car stereo is that you're able to connect a whole bunch of external accessories, external cameras, etc. So the possibilities are practically endless. Here is the before with the JBL screen. It's a really small screen. I didn't really use it too often, just for my Bluetooth audio. And here I will speed it up just to show you guys how easy it is to connect the car stereo. Okay, and in order to take off your old stereo, you literally just pull the trim off of the car stereo, and you will have 4 screws that you'll just take off. I think it's a 10mm. The OEM stereo system, at least the JBL, is incredibly heavy compared to the Dasaita. To take off the OEM vents, I highly recommend you take your time. You don't want to break one of those clips. Okay, once you've taken them off of the old trim, you will install it on your new trim. It's pretty easy to install them as opposed to taking them off. Here I am testing everything, making sure everything is working fine. I did connect something incorrectly, so I had to go back and install it. And here you want to make sure that you take off these little red clips. They were honestly a pain in the butt to take off. You won't need the 4 screws anymore, as this one is a lot lighter. And here is the initial startup. This unit honestly gives you a lot. One of my favorite parts is how customizable it is. You can adjust the EQ, the screen settings, and even dive into hidden menus for advanced options. I haven't had the chance to do it all. The integration is super smooth. Steering wheel controls work. Backup camera still works, which I would say I should upgrade it. And here is the Netflix app. The colors are super colorful. You're able to even watch if you're waiting in the line of a drive-through. I use it to watch YouTube TV. However, I do not recommend you guys use these functions when driving. And here we have our other settings. I will say though, the sound system has significantly improved by adjusting these EQ settings. I'm not a professional, don't know what I'm doing, but I did play around with it and the audio sounds 1,000 times better. Overall, I am really impressed with this head unit. At first, I was a little sketched out, didn't know what to expect, but after installing this, I am very happy that I did. I did notice when recording, the system does get a little finicky. However, obviously you won't be recording and using your system, so it's not applicable to you guys, but a very good bang for your buck. If you're in the market for one of these, I do highly recommend you go with Dasaita and check my discount code.